Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to free up disk. Show you some quick methods to free up hard disk on Windows PC. So first of all, just go to the settings, click on apps, just uninstall the unnecessary software or application. This is the basic thing. The next thing is reach to this PC, right click on your local disk drive C, click on properties. Now click on disk cleanup. Here you have to check all of this field and click on cleanup system files. After that, just click on OK button. Here we go. It may take some time to clear the data. Also, please note it will not affect on any of your data. It will not remove any of your saved data, so you don't need to worry about it. Again, just check all of this field, and here you can see it will clear approx 353 megabytes. Click on OK and click on delete files. In most of the case, these are the cache files. You don't have to worry about your saved data on your local drive. It also not affect on your applications or softwares. So it will also clear the thumbnails and some log files which is not in used. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching.